Now let's compare the two popular flavors of Agile, Scrum and Kanban. Like what we saw earlier, Scrum is small batch processing. Sprint 1, we pick some items, Sprint 2, Sprint 3, Sprint 4. Look at Kanban. While Kanban is a continuous flow through the system, you can still limit the work in progress by the numbers that the team can do in terms of the capacity of the items. How many items they can do at a point of time. Iterations in Kanban are optional. See these dotted lines? You can still use iterations in Kanban and still use your work in progress limits or WIP limits we call.